Bismillah ar-Rahman ar-Rahim. In the name of Allah, the most gracious, the most merciful. We are going to find the integration of the given question. So, for finding integration for such type of questions, there is a denominator with two different factors. So, we will make the partial fraction. So, let us find the partial fraction first. After that, we are going to find the integration. So directly we don't have any other method to find. So for such type of questions we need to find the partial fraction. So let me write in partial fraction form first. So that is equal to 5x square over bracket x minus 1 x square plus 2. So the first factor that will be equal to x and a over x minus 1 plus the second factor we have x square. If there is a square, then you will write bx plus c over plus 2. If it is square, this is a square, that's why I wrote x square bx plus c. If there is no square, yani only x plus 2, you will write b over x plus 2. So why I wrote bx plus c? Because there is x square plus 2. That's why I wrote b and c together on the denominator. So then after writing, now it is in partial fraction form. Now to find the value of a, b, c, you will first thing you will cancel the denominator. To cancel the denominator, it is very simple. Just this one cancelled. So you will write 5x you will write 5x square minus 4x plus 2. So this one multiply with that one, this denominator multiply with this one. So a into x square plus 2 plus, so x minus 1 multiply with bx, x minus 1 multiply with bx plus c. So now this is the equation. So for this equation, the first thing we have x minus 1. So you will put x minus 1 equal to 0, and x minus 1 equal to 0, and x equal 1, because negative 1 when go there it will be positive 1. So x equals, so substitute x equal 1 in this equation. You will substitute x, put equal 1. If you will substitute x equal 1, so that will be equal 5, replace x with 1, square minus 4, 1 plus 2, it is equal a into 1 square plus 2 plus x mean 1 minus 1 bracket b, x 1 mean 1, x is 1, 1 multiply b plus c. So we will simplify now. After simplifying, you can write directly that is equal to 5. 1 square mean 1, so that will be equal 5 minus 4 plus 2. So 5 plus 2 7, 7 minus 4 3 equal. So 1 square is 1, 1 plus 2 3a. 1 minus 1 equals 0. So all became 0. So no need to write. So a equal 3 is multiplying, when go there it will divide. So a equal 3 divided by 3 equal a. So 3 divided by 3 equal 1. So a equal 1. A equal 1. This is the first answer. So now the second thing, we are going to compare the coefficient. For comparing coefficient, you need to simplify this part. Okay, when we will simplify, that will be equal to, just let me raise this one. Simplifying, a equal 1, which I can write here. We found already. So from here we will simplify. A multiply x square, a x square. A multiply 2, 2a, plus x multiply bx, so that will be b x square. X multiply c, cx. Then 1 multiply bx, minus 1 multiply bx, minus bx. Then minus 1 multiply c, minus c. Clear? So what I did, I just multiplied. So now the second step, we are going to compare. What will we compare? Because this side we have the same thing equal to this one. So what is the x square? X square equal, x square coefficient to other side is 5, equal, this side x square coefficient is a plus b. So what is a? We already found here. So 5 equal, a is 1 plus b. So 1 is plus, 1 go there, minus. So 5 minus 1 equal 4. So 4 equal b. So I got b. So now I need what? I need c. I need to find c. C, we will compare the coefficient, again the same thing. So for c, we have without x c here. So without x, other side we have also 2, and we have also 2 a. So you will compare 2 equal to a minus c. So what is a? That is 2, that is 1. So 1 multiply 2, 2, because a is 1, we found already, minus c, minus c. What is c? We will find. So c is negative. So you will take c other side, and or you can take 2 other side, no problem, same. So 2, this is 2 is positive, when go to other side will be negative. So minus c equal 0, because 2 minus 2 equals 0. So if it is negative, we don't have negative 0, so that is equal to only 0. So c we got, that is equal to 0. So in the question when we wrote in the partial fraction, it was a yani 1 over x plus 1, x minus 1 plus b we got, that is equal to 4x plus c is 0. So I will write in the final look of the partial fraction, that is equal to final look of the partial fraction, that is equal to 5x square minus 4x plus 2 over x minus 1 into x square plus 2, which is equal to a we got, that is 1 over x minus 1 plus b is 4x, c is 0, no need to write, x square plus 2. So this is partial fraction form. So after writing partial fraction form, what will we do? We will find the integration. Actually our main question is find integration. So whenever you write the integration sign, you must write the dx. So integration dx. So look, this is 1 over x. What is the derivative of this one? We have this derivative up, derivative of this we have 1. So that is directly you can write equal to ln, right? It is equal to ln x minus 1. Why I wrote this 2-line mod? Because it means positive, log never negative, plus x square derivative. X square derivative is 2x, so we have 4x. So 4x you can make it 2x, and 2 integration 2x. Why I wrote 2 in the beginning? Because 2 times 2 4. I need 2 up in the denominator. Why? Because x square derivative is 2x. So dx. So the first one is same. So this derivative we have up, this one, derivative of x square 2x. So you can write in logarithm form, that will be equal ln plus c. Answer. I hope you understand. Let me just write the formula for this one, because maybe you are getting confused how I wrote directly log. Because there is a formula, integration f of x, any function as x square plus 2. If this derivative f dash x we have in up, if you have it is in denominator, so directly you can write ln fx, whatever fx, so you can write directly. So same as in the first one I wrote the same thing, in the second one I wrote the same thing, because x square plus 2 derivative is up, we have x square mean 2x, 2 is 0, because the derivative of I number is 0. I hope it is clear for you. Thank you for watching. If you have any question, you can write in the comment, so I can solve in the next video.